Okay, we're up here in Williamsville where the customer, they just bought the house. And you can see the difference in shade. This is a half-inch hand split wood shake shingle, 16 inches, 16 to 18 inches. So they're half-inch thick. The stuff on the main, this darker stuff is not half-inch. It looks like it's probably half that thickness. So anyhow, we're looking at replacing all the dark stuff right from that corner all the way through. We're going to tie into what they got there, around the door, around here, all the way here, and all the way to that corner. That's the one section. We're going to have a blocking for the mailbox. We've got a hose holder. We've got a plumbing stack, exhaust vent for the heater. And that's really, and then there's another vent underneath the window over there. So we're going to just go under that window and up to the side. Anything that's dark here is going to be replaced and tied in. Okay, and there's a light. There's going to be a light above this door. And then the other section we're going to be looking at siding. Re-siding is this upper, just everything on that upper, all the dark stuff up there. We're going to stop right at the end, right at the edge of the garage roof where the downspout delivers over there. So we're going to stop there and go straight up, work our shingles in, and then everything over here is going to come off and go on. We got a vent up there we got to deal with. Don't mess up the window trim. Okay, so that's going to be one number to do that. The other number is going to be taking all of the corner posts, and we'll go ahead and we'll set the depth, and we're going to wrap these corner posts with aluminum and give them the numbers on that around the house. Okay, and then a third number will be for doing the peak trim. And what we're going to do is we're just going to bring that down 3/4 of an inch to an inch onto the siding. We're not going to tuck that in. Okay, nothing on this lower garage wall, but definitely the corner post here. And then we've got a corner post here, which is in good shape. Around the back of the house is we've got a little bit of punkiness down here. We'll come up a foot or two and replace that wood, and then trim this corner post here. Option for the gable trim. Nothing on the inside corners. Those are in fine shape. This one really got some damage on it. It looks like it's either from the years of overflow or something. No, the sub pump's new. So anyhow, we're going to take this one here. We'll cut this up about 2 or 3 foot. Replace the bad wood here. Make sure that we don't have any problems with the framing. Wrap that corner post and reinstall the downspout. Okay, nothing on the inside corner. This one here, take apart the downspout, trim the corner post, and reinstall the downspout here. And then the same, it comes all the way up to the front here with the downspout in the corner. Okay, everything, all the rest of the siding is staying. And then of course, obviously we got this other one. No wrapping on the posts, just the corners. Nothing on the inside corner, all outside corners. And we got a little one up above the front entrance up there. Okay, on the door on both sides of that dormer. And all of these cables will be set up as an option to trim out and flash onto the siding. But we want to make sure that our new siding is going to be half-inch. It looks like this siding is a thicker siding than the old. So a lot of the old is cupping pretty bad. That's what we want to do.